Okay, right here I have some xylene and some industrial maintenance cleaner. The xylene is no longer available in California. That's why I'm using this industrial maintenance cleaner. I'm dumping about a couple cups on each side right here for my first purge here for cleaning this pump out. Take a rag or paper towel or something and kind of get in there and wipe the sides down. Get some of the old residue off of the tanks. Make sure you do this every time you clean this pump, or else you'll just get more and more buildup on those tanks. Next, I'm going to make sure the nightcap's nice and tight. Open the manifold drain valves, and I'm going to purge out all this xylene or cleaner I put in there just to get all the stuff out of the lines. Now I'm going to put some more cleaner into the tanks. A little bit more this time, maybe about 4 cups or so on each side. You should be able to do about 2 flushes with this 1 gallon of cleaner. Now that I got the cleaner in here, about 4 cups each side. Make sure that you have your A hose going into your A tank and your B hose going in your B tank, because there still is some leftover buildup in the pump that can cross-contaminate. I'm going to redirect the manifold back into the tanks. Let this cycle for about 10 minutes. Once I have done that, I'm going to go ahead and shut my valves off. And I'm going to remove the nightcap and purge all this cleaner out of the tanks. The reason why I cycled it for about 10 minutes, it really gets in those gears and cleans the gunk out of the pumps. Once I have all the xylene purged out, I'm going to take my oil here, dump about a quart on each side. Like I said, any kind of oil works. Motor oil, hydraulic oil. I found the best luck with motor oil. And then I'm going to go ahead and turn my pump back on, and this is going to purge out all of the cleaner until you start seeing good clean oil coming out here. Good clean oil coming out. I'm going to shut it off. See what I did here? I left oil in the tanks over the screens. That way your whole system is completely shut off from air. Next, I'm going to put some grease in this manifold. I'm going to do the tip first right here. Purge out all the grease here. Got that nice and greased. Put a little grease on the threads. Helps this retaining nut from sticking on there next time we go to remove it. Reinstall the nightcap and retaining nut. Helps it keep it nice and fresh for next time. And I'm going to go ahead and grease these drain valves too. It's just a good maintenance thing to do, to keep grease throughout all this. Go ahead and do that side, which is the B side. And I'm going to go ahead and do the A side now. So now my whole manifold has nothing but grease in it. Keep it good for storage, so it'll be nice and fresh for the next job.